Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. And today, we're looking for dinosaur tracks. I'm just being told that they're along this creek, and you can find them in multiple different places. Now, I've scoured this rock probably for about 15 minutes now, and I haven't been able to see something very specific because I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking for and how big it is. Like, take this for example. Is that just one big paw mark? We're looking for a 30-ton sauropod, which is what, like a brontosaurus or what's a diplodocus or something like that. So I'm not sure exactly what size I'm looking for, or whether it's grizzly bear size. So this is kind of grizzly bear size. So is that a dinosaur track? I don't know. But I've been looking and looking and looking, and I haven't been able to see much. But we'll keep looking. Like, that just looks like a rock. Like a rock used to sit there and made an impression. It is kind of fun because you're just out looking. You're not staring at a phone, you know. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. Like, this almost looks like 3 fingerprints in a palm. Check this out. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 footprints. Like a 4-legged beast was walking through there. And I think the other footprints are underwater, either over there or up there. But there's other footprints here, I just don't know where they are. That is actually really cool. I think I found one. You can kind of see like an outline of a toe and where a 3rd toe would be. And this would be its palm. So that might be a dinosaur print. It's like I said, these prints could be huge. Oh my goodness, I found it. This is a footprint. At first, I thought it was just rocks in prints. But if you look closely, that is huge. I can't believe I found it. That's so awesome. So if that's one, this could be another. Just like I thought. Haha, cool. This one could be another one. What? That's so dope. That is so cool. I can't believe I found them. This is such a cool spot to come and hang out and just send the kids to go find the dinosaur tracks. All right, guys, I'm gonna hit the trail. We'll see you guys around the next bend. All right, it says 15 kilometers up this trail, there's a lake. We'll see how good it is. I'm gonna switch the radio to RR21. I just seen a little black bear. I'm trying to see if I can see him, but he disappeared so fast. He's gone. I definitely scared him away with my big old mean van. Getting 8 kilometers up, camper van. This road is being deactivated. Obstructions exist. Well, I guess there's only one way to try, and that is go for it. See if we can get in. If not, turn around, come back down to the road and see if we can make it. Guys, I don't know if I can make this. This is pretty treacherous. Every time I go over one of these bumps, it seems like it gets deeper and deeper and deeper. And we're still 5 kilometers away. Oh, there we go again. It's like every 25 feet, there's just another. Yeah, it's just getting worse and worse. This is definitely a 4x4 trail. And it doesn't get better from here. This sucks. Okay, so now we gotta go back over all those bumps. Hopefully I don't lose my bike. It's still back there. I tucked it up real good. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Because now this is all uphill. Woo! All right, I'm gonna concentrate on driving. I'll see you guys at the top. Well, Right Lake, you did me dirty. You defeated me this time, but I'll only come back with a vehicle that will actually make it up that road. And not today, maybe next time. I bet you I could get up there with like some 33s or 35s and a 4-inch lift kit and a few modifications, maybe a skid plate under my gas tank would probably help too, because I think I got a few new scratches. But luckily, no leaks, no puncture wounds, just some few damages on the exhaust pipe. All right, let's head off to the next trail. We'll see you guys down in the next bend. Big old black bear. Woo! Big black bear. Very cool. I wonder why they're hanging out on the road. There's no food on the road. Just easy walking, I guess. Ah, a little herd of white-tailed deer. Scatter! Wow, what a drive. That was fun. We made it. Oh, look, there's free firewood. Awesome. Love it. Let's just check this place out. This lake's pretty cool. Oh, there's a little dock over there and everything. Awesome. Oh, we got a little family of ducks or loons. I can't quite tell from here. My bike's still there and it doesn't look broken. That's good. Man, I was afraid of losing it. Definitely probably took some plastic off the bottom of that. Oh yeah, definitely damaged it a little bit. Oh well, still works, still there. What else have we got around here? That's so weird. There's just a random picnic table off in the bush. What the heck? Who camps here? Like, no fire pit? And you got to park way over there behind everybody else because there's 3 other picnic tables here and a bunch of firewood already set up. So who camps over here? There's no parking or nothing. That's weird. All right, let's go check out this dock. Ooh, looks muddy. pretty shallow right here. It's only like maybe 18 inches deep. What the heck is that? There's another one. Oil or something? Weird. Weird. Well, I think this is Battleship Mountain, I believe, or something. There's Battleship Trail somewhere around here. I couldn't say for sure, but we'll have to go look it up. One thing there's no shortage of around here is that's firewood. There's just logs everywhere, and they're all legal to collect for firewood for personal use, obviously. But you need to download a form and sign it, because if you're caught and you don't have that form, I don't know what would happen. Big trouble, I guess. Aftermath of driving in the bush. This place is so cool. It's kind of different too in the sense. Now, normal places, it's, you know, you've got mountains, but the mountains are super far away. The mountain is literally maybe 200 feet from me across the lake, and it's almost vertical. And we've almost got the exact same thing behind me. It's almost vertical, and then it slowly levels out a little bit, but it's still like a 400 meter tall mountain behind me and a 400 meter mountain just in front of me. So when you make noises, it echoes. It's so cool. Whoop! It doesn't echo more than once, but you can clearly distinguish a second whoop. Whoop! I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but it's a total different experience. It's pretty damn cool out here. Every time you hear a rock fall off the cliff or a bunch of dirt sliding down the hill, you can hear it. When the birds flap, you can hear it really loud. It's so weird. When I flew the drone, I can hear it for hundreds and hundreds of feet. Normally it just disappears and you can't hear it anymore. Although, to be fair, I usually am flying beside a creek or something, or a highway with a bunch of noise or wind. So it is so quiet here. The wind is absolutely dead. The mosquitoes out like crazy. I had to pull out my mosquito spray and my thermocell, but no, they're not too bad. They're not bothering me. I think I eat too much garlic and stuff for them to like me. They haven't really bit me that much, but they are flying around my face and bugging me. But they haven't really been eating me, so that's pretty cool. I'm enjoying it out here. I got my book. I'm reading it. I'm enjoying the fire, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out, guys.